Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is basically a 17-piece razor set that is great for all kinds of body types. It's good for your hair, your body, your beard, etc. It's basically a 6-in-1 razor. So this was sent over by a company called GLAKER, and here is the box that it comes in. Naturally, you're going to get a user manual. We're going to cover all the features right here in the video. You are going to get a nice long USB to USB Type-C charging cable. This is how you're going to charge up the razor itself. It does have about 150-hour battery life, so that charge is going to last a long time, which is absolutely great if you are traveling. You're going to also include some oil, so that way you can keep the blades nice and oiled, and like a little clean brush to just remove any hair. All the little components are washable under the sink, so you can take them off, rinse them completely off to get rid of the hair. The razor itself, though, is not waterproof, so do not bring this in the shower itself. So as you can see, here is the razor. It's got this like little monkey with sunglass pattern. It is all nice and textured, so it's very comfortable to hold. It plugs in and charges on the bottom, and then you have the little button to turn it on right there at the top. As you can see, you have a nice stainless steel trimmer. This is the first one, which is a hair trimmer. It says right on it, so it's easy to know. Once the hair trimmer, you're gonna get 4 different head attachments. You're gonna know they're the hair ones because there's a little line on it. So first off, you're gonna get a number 1, which is a 1.5 millimeter. Then you're going to get a number 2, which is a 3 millimeter. Then you're gonna get a number 3, which is a 6 millimeter, and then you're gonna get a number 9, which is a 4 millimeter. So once again, if you want to do any trimming or cutting your hair yourself, you've got the right head attachment to set that up. Very easy, just pull on the top part and then it will pop off and you can change out the head with one of the other setups. Now, as you can sit there and see, you also get the beard trimmer. Once again, stainless steel, you can take this whole thing, run it underwater to clean it up. With the beard setting, you're gonna get also, once again, 4 trimming attachments. You're gonna get 1/16 or a 1.5 millimeter attachment. You're gonna get the 1/8 or 3 millimeter attachment. Then you are going to get the 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter attachment, or if you want the longer beard, you got the 3/8 or 9 millimeter attachment. So once again, fully covered. Now, however, when it comes to detailing your beard, you are set because they also include a nice little detailer. It's great for working sideburns or working around your lip, whatnot. So you get this nice little itty bitty blade here so you can fine tune your shave. They do include a nose hair trimmer, so you can get rid of those unwanted nose hair trimming. And then you're going to get a foil blade. So if you have any areas like you typically shave and you want to just hit those with the foil blade, get it nice and short, you can do that with this. So once again, nice and change. Obviously, this part comes off as well, so it makes it nice and easy to clean. Just simply pop that off, and then once again, you can rinse this all under the water to make it nice and clean and ready to go for the next time. And then finally, you're gonna have the body trimming attachment. So this is meant for basically like chest hair, back hair, intimate areas. It does have the little shield on here, which basically has 2 different sizes. You can also remove this to do some more fine tuning, trimming, or detailing if you wish. And it's nice and long. Basically, it's easier to utilize. And once again, all these just snap in place on the head unit, which works really, really well. Just line them up and you're good to go as far as basically arranging all the various holes. Click them in place and you're ready to go. But overall, like I said, it works great. Haven't had any issues with nicks or scrapes or anything like that. Been very, very happy with the use of it. Very easy to clean up, and it comes with all the attachments that you could possibly need out of a razor. So overall, if you are looking for a great grooming set, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.